Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel Smart Living. In today's video I will tell you about the types of insurance applications that we have. Well, on number 1 we have life insurance app, on number 2 we have travel insurance app, on number 3 there is car insurance app, and on number 4 we have health insurance app. Number 5 we have property insurance app, and on number 6 we have business insurance application. Well dear friends, this video is basically the part 2 of my what is insurance applications video, and I am creating this video because I saw many comments from you guys that you want to know in details that how the insurance applications work, what features they got. Well, number 1, life insurance app. A life insurance app streamlines all routine process such as number 1, helping customers choose the right policy, number 2, review terms and condition, number 3, fill in relevant data online, and number 3, make all the payments online, number 4, receive instant notifications, number 5, automatically calculate the rate of interest, number 6, contact support service via put. On number 2 we have health insurance application. This application simplifies navigation for policyholders to number 1, browse through different medical disciplines, number 2, select their preferred doctors, number 3, book appointments, number 4, access documents and fill out forms, number 5, search for suitable health plans. Well, number 6, compare the rates for doctors and pharmacists. Well dear friends, on number 3 we have vehicle insurance app, or also we can call it auto insurance app and car insurance app. So this app is helping, basically vehicle insurance is a real digital savior on the road that allows the user to number 1, take pictures of the accident site, number 2, file a claim on the spot, number 3, receive a repair estimate, number 4, upload images, videos, locations and relevant data, number 5, quickly access documents, number 6, get instant information about repair services. So on number 4 we have property insurance or house owners insurance. Well, this application is for insuring jewelry, real estate, artwork, expensive equipments, and other types of properties with self-service options for number 1, choosing a policy, number 2, filing claims, number 3, receiving maintenance reminders, number 4, tracking a property for damages, breakdowns, leaks, and so on. Well, number 5 we have travel insurance app. This app works like a safety net that minimizes your risk in emergency by number 1, covering unexpected medical expenses, number 2, accident and sickness medical expense reimbursement, number 3, guarding policyholders against luggage loss and trip cancellations, number 4, it's protecting the insured person in case of loss of travel documents, and number 5, making instant help accessible across the border. It's business insurance application, and this app safeguards significant business investments against huge risks by allowing policyholders to number 1, select a suitable package based on business size and nature of risk, and number 2, easily purchase a policy, number 3, minimize losses by quickly setting an insured event. Well dear friends, I hope you like this video. If you do so, then please do share with your friends and family. This video was basically just for the information purpose. Well, to explain you about the insurance apps that we have in our Play Store, you can simply install these insurance applications from your phone's Play Store, and then you can use them for your benefit. And this is so easy to use. The features are so easy. I have explained every feature about every application of insurance that we have in and we can get benefit of. So please do use them. And if you are interested in more details, if you are interested in developing an insurance app and the development of an insurance app, then please do let me know in the comment section. I will also make another video about that, because if you want to invest in developing an insurance app, I think it's the best idea. Thank you so much for watching me. Do subscribe for more informative videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon, because whenever I will upload, you will get a notification. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. I will see you in next video.